Hello everyone, I am Pragati Jha Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of Lexis and Company. In this video, I am going to differentiate the bailable offense and non-bailable offense. So, what is the meaning of bailable and non-bailable offense? So, bailable offense means the offense which is less serious and a person can be released on bail. Non-bailable offense is the offense which is more serious and serious offenses in which person cannot be easily released on bail. So, what is the quantum of punishment in the bailable and non-bailable offense? In the bailable offense, punishment is less than 3 years, or in the non-bailable offense, punishment is more than 3 years. What is the grant of bail? So, in the under the bailable offense, it is a matter of right, or under the non-bailable offense it is discretion and by the court gives the uh, power, or court give the order to release or not to release. So what is a bail granting authority? Under the bailable offense, officer or officer in charge of the police station can grant the bail, but under non-bailable offense, judicial magistrate or judge can grant the bail. So, what is the bail procedure under the bailable or non-bailable offense? That is when the accused bring the proper surety that after his or her arrest, the investigation officer is bound to release them. But under the non-bailable offense, investigation officer is required to produce the criminal or accused before the magistrate within the 24 hours. So, what is the bail bond under the bailable and non-bailable offense? It is to be executed with or without producing surety under the bailable, and to be executed with the stringent condition under the non-bailable offense. So, this is the differences between the bailable and non-bailable offense. Bailable is means not harmful crime has done by the accused, or crime is less than 3 years, and it can under the by the surety bond, person can be released, and it is her right to take a release from the investigation, or the police officer. But under the non bailable offense, it is a if accused has done some harmful crime or some serious crime, and his punishment is more than 3 years, and also the magistrate has a power to give the bail or not. So, what is the definition of bailable offense? As per the law of offense, indicate the first schedule as a bailable, or one made available by the other law which is in force for the time is called the bailable offense. Generally, there are two parts in the first schedule of CRPC, which first part concern itself will offense given under Indian Penal Code, whereas part 2 related to the offense under the other law. Further, the last item of the first schedule to state that offense can be called bailable, which is punishable is less than 3 years. So, what are the example of bailable offense? It is a bribery, public nuisance, death by rash and negligent act, and simple hurt. Right to the release of bail. So, under the bailable offense, person has some right. So, when a person is arrested by the police officer, so police officer has a right. Police officer has a right to give the proper details of offences which is done by the person, and also the procedure for release, and how the person take the bill. The proper procedure should be given by the police officer also. Under the 436 of the Criminal Procedure Code, provision relating to the bail in the case of bailable offense has been discussed. So, as per the section, when the person is charged with the commission of offense that is bailable in nature, bail is the right of accused because it is a cast of binding the duty on the police officer in charge to give the proper details about that offense. So, what is the definition of non-bailable offense? Non-bailable offense refers to any offense which is not a bailable offense. It include all such offenses that are not included in the first schedule of the CRPC. So, what are the example of the non-bailable offense? That is rape, murder, dowry death, and attempt to murder and kidnapping also. So, right to released on bail under the non-bailable offense. It was noted that when a person is accused of a commission of the non-bailable offense, he is not entitled to released on bail. However, bail can be granted as per the court discretion and subject to the provision under section 437 are fulfilled. So here the proper procedure should be followed for granting a bail. It is necessary to produce the person before the court, and proper trial has been done, and after that it has been decided whether the bail has been granted or not. So this is the differences between the bailable and non-bailable offense. In the case of bailable offense, person has a right to know the proper procedure for taking a bail, but in the non-bailable offense, court has a discretionary power to give the bail. Thank you.